Hello, and my name is Quang Huy. I'm 5 years old. I'm good.
Hello everyone, my name is Anh Thu. I'm 6 years old. I'm good.
This is animal and the farm.
Darling.
What animal is it?
This is a rabbit.
What animal is it?
This is a pig.
What animal is it?
This is a goat.
What animal is it?
This is a dog.
What animal is it?
This is a cow.
What animal is it?
This is a chicken.
What animal is it?
This is a cat.
What animal is it?
This is a duck.
What animal is it?
This is a bird.
Is it
This is a
Duck is
this is a pig.
Pig rồi đó.
Pig.
Yeah, is it?
This is a dog.
No, is it?
This is a dog.
Yeah, is it?
This is a cow.
Yeah, is it?
This is a cat.
No, is it? No, it isn't.
This is a bird.
No, it isn't.
This is a duck.
Yeah, it isn't.
This is a bird.
Yeah, it isn't.
This is a rabbit.
Okay.
This is a rabbit.
No, it isn't.
This is a chicken.
No, it isn't.
Okay, then you look at me. What color is your bird?
Blue.
Okay, how many legs does the bird have?
4. 2.
2 legs. Okay. How many legs does the sheep have? Sheep.
4.
4 legs. Okay. What color is the rabbit?
White.
White. What color is the pig? What color?
Pink.
Pink.
Pink. And how many legs does a pig?
4.
4 legs. 4 legs, right?
4 legs.
Okay, thank you.